Good morning. Are you Jalen Hendricks?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
And Mr. Hendricks, you were previously here in cause numbers 23 DCCR 2323 and 25 DCCR 0574. Entered pleas of guilty in each of those cases to evading arrest or detention with a motor vehicle. I've received the pre-sentence report. Has everyone had an opportunity to review that report?
We have, Your Honor.
The state has, Judge.
Are there any additions or corrections?
Not from the defense.
Not from the state, Judge.
Mr. Hendricks, do you have a driver's license?
No,
Okay, so I'll explain what I'm going to do in a second. So I'm going to find Mr. Hendricks in each of your cases that you entered your pleas of guilty freely and voluntarily. In cause number 23, DCCR 2323, I'm going to follow the agreement you made and sentence you in accordance with it to a term of 10 years in prison, but probate that. You'll be on probation for 10 years. You're ordered to pay a $500 fine and to serve 30 days in the county jail. You will get credit for that time since you've entered your plea. In cause number 25, DCCR 0574, also find that you entered your plea freely and voluntarily, find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and at this time follow the agreement and find you guilty of evading arrest or detention with a motor vehicle. Sentence you in accordance with that agreement to a term of 10 years in prison, but probate that. You'll be on probation for 10 years. You're also ordered to pay a $500 fine to serve the 30 days in jail that you will get credit for, and follow all of the rules and conditions of probation. So the rules and conditions of probation are very important, because if you don't follow all of those rules, you're going to be right back in here looking at 10-year sentences. Do you understand? You've already agreed to 10 years. So part of your probation is going to be to get you the help that you need for whatever's going on. So you will be assessed for any type of mental health care, and you're ordered by me to follow any recommended treatment. That means medication, counseling, whatever it is. If they say you need it, I'm ordering you to do it. You understand? Also, you are not to drive any vehicle, period, ever, unless you have a driver's license. So you cannot drive. And then and all the other regular conditions of probation, and the probation officer will go over that with you. If you do everything that you're supposed to on this probation, it's a great opportunity, because you'll be able to serve that 10-year sentence while you're on probation instead of in prison. But again, if you violate any of the conditions of probation, you will be right back in here and you'll be looking at that 10-year sentence in each of those cases. You understand? I'm handing you in each of your cases the trial court certifications. This shows that these were agreements that I followed, and so you've waived your right to appeal. I also handed you a written admonishment regarding your ineligibility to possess a firearm or ammunition. Because of the judgments entered against you, you're ineligible under Texas law to possess a firearm or ammunition. Possession of a firearm or ammunition could lead to charges against you. Firearm is a legal term, and you should read the written admonishment I provided you to see what devices qualify as a firearm. If you have questions about the laws that make you ineligible to possess a firearm or ammunition, or about how long that lasts, you can talk with Mr. Rojas. All right, good luck to you, sir. You can go back with the bailiff.
Welcome back to Law Nexus. We're glad you're here. Tonight's courtroom unfolds fast, and the consequences hit even faster. One test result, one excuse, and suddenly freedom has a price tag. Stay with us, because what starts routine turns sharply real.